Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, my hair is soaking wet. I just finished styling my hair and I figured why not film a video on how I diffuse my hair. I've been getting a lot of questions as to whether I've changed the way I diffuse my hair, and the answer is not really, but I decided to show you guys how I diffuse my hair and how I fluff it to give me the voluminous results that I typically have. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you don't miss another video. I'm also going to attach my social handles so you guys can follow me on there as well. I post a ton of curly content, so go check me out. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm typically somebody who diffuses their hair. I just hate having a wet shirt. I hate when my hair wets my clothes. Like, I don't like wet hair. So I'm typically a go-to diffuser girl. So for those of you who may not know what diffusing is when you use a blow dryer to essentially dry your curls. So what you need to do is add a diffuser attachment so that way it is indirect heat to your hair and it avoids adding damage. So I've used a multitude of blow dryers, but my absolute favorite one is my Dyson blow dryer. I purchased one February of 2019 and I've been obsessed with it ever since. It has cut my drying time nearly in half and it's so quick and efficient. I just love the blow dryer. So for someone like me who has super thick hair, you guys can only imagine how long it takes for me to dry my hair. So that's why I'm absolutely obsessed with my Dyson, and at the moment it is my absolute favorite diffuser. I'm gonna do a voiceover for this portion because of course this is super loud and I want you guys to be able to hear me and understand me throughout the process. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and get to diffusing. Okay, so I'm actually gonna set my timer so you guys can see how long this actually takes me to dry my hair. So it's the typical routine as always. I like to start by drying my roots. And when I do dry my roots, I like to attach the diffuser directly to my hair and lay it flat. So normally I used to actually scrunch and realize that gave me so much shrinkage. So my new method is just to apply the diffuser flat on my head, as you guys see. So every time I just rotate it, and I like to dry my scalp first and then I work with my ends. Normally I take this time to watch some TikToks or go on Instagram or check my email, because even though it seems like it's only 20 minutes, it still feels like it's forever. So I just take this time to watch some funny videos. I try to watch some YouTube videos, but I can't really do much because I can't really hear anything with the diffuser. So periodically, I just move the diffuser around different sections of my hair. I do have the heat setting at a low heat setting, and I do also click the cool shock button as well to apply cool air to my hair. But typically I have it on a low heat setting. Very, very, very rarely do I put it on a medium heat setting. But I do feel like when I do increase the heat, it does dry my hair a lot faster. I often don't do it just to avoid damage of any sort. But yeah, this is the moment where I just move the diffuser around my head, and as it dries, I just switch to my ends. So as you guys saw, that took about 21 minutes to fully dry my hair, and this is what it looks like without it being fluffed out or anything. Typically my wash and goes aren't as voluminous depending on the gels that I use, but I did test out 2 new products and they tend to give me a little bit more volume, which I'm here for. Typically I would have to fluff out a bit, but I am going to show you guys what I typically do because I'm going to fluff it out a bit and I do have some crunch. I'll choose an oil of any type. So for today's video I'm going to be using the Bomba Curls Dominican Forbidden Oil. This is a bomb scalp oil. You can use it in your hair, your scalp, whatever you need to do. It is a hair growth oil and it's pretty thick. So let me show you guys. I just use a few drops. So since it's a pretty thick oil, I don't go too crazy. What I like to do is just put it all over my hands and just fluff my roots. I literally just shake at my roots. You see how it just gives you that added volume? Nothing too crazy, but it gives you a little bit. And I'll just scrunch a little bit at the crunch. And that's pretty much that. I just leave it as is. Sometimes I'll grab a pick and just pick at my roots, but being that it's day one, I don't want too much volume because I want my hair to last me a lot longer. But yeah, so this is pretty much all I do. When I'm done diffusing my hair, I will go ahead, add some oil, and just fluff at my roots. That way it kind of serves as a scalp massage in the process as well. So I do that, I just fluff at my roots, so it gives me a little bit of volume. And I'll scrunch the crunch a little bit, nothing too crazy. Being that it is day one, I don't mind the crunch. It really doesn't bother me because over the course of the next few days, it does tend to subside. So these are my results. This product combo was bomb. You're gonna have to check out another video so you guys can see what products I used. This is what they look like. Defined, fluffy, soft curls with a little cast because we just didn't want to fluff it too much. But if I do want more volume, I'll pick at my roots, but I think this is perfect for now because over the course of the next few days, we all know how big it's about to get. So yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.